I'm delighted to welcome you to our 5th annual YCYW Professional Development event. AI is not merely a futuristic concept. It is already shaping the way we teach and learn.
We are introducing all the cutting-edge technologies that are available all around the world right now in the field of education. Today, the aim is to be able to deliver it to the teachers, and then they can, again, take it to their students.
While AI can process vast amounts of data and offer new efficiencies, the human qualities we bring, our empathy, creativity, and critical thinking remain irreplaceable. Let us engage in meaningful discussions, share innovative ideas, and drive positive change within our community. Thank you.